we started off the day really strong, really confident. This right here is probably video number 3. We were on a roll. What we did not realize is the mic was never on, so you missed out on so many gems. I am going to try to rack my brain to remember every single thing. So if you're currently looking at the island right now, the island is 32, 27, 32. That is the setup. It is front and back. I am now going to share with you some measurements from the wall with the window, to the end of the cabinet, which the island starts. That middle area is 65. And then from the island to the side of the cabinet is 56. The reason why these measurements are important, it lets you know how much room you have to walk around. Why this was important for me, again, the second thing is this is the area in which I will be standing to do my try on hauls. So if you were wondering how are you going to do your stuff, how are you going to do, I have the 65-inch measurement, and then I have the 56 measurement. I'm dancing thinking that I really got my day accomplished, and y'all, I'm just really mad at myself because everything was deleted, even Instagram videos. But anyway, in this area here, it is exactly 41, which is the code. And then the back area is the exact same measurement as the front. You're going to have 65, and then you're going to have that 56, which really allows you to move around a lot. If you look behind me, you can see there's 2 boxes within that cubby, and I still need to clear it out. But you guys, I don't know what I was saying right here, but I told my fiance's niece to move the camera back while I was talking. And I don't know, I think I said something just really cheeky or whatever. But for the sake of the video, the island just looks so good. I am apologizing again because it's a little whitewash. I had no idea. Thank God you didn't hear me screaming, because I definitely screamed, and I said it was so good. So where I'm currently standing at is where I'll be standing for my drawers. And so measurements are extremely important when it comes to the overall layout. It may seem like it's not a big deal, but it is quite a tedious task to bring a space together and to make sure it's done. There's a lot of moving parts to this. It isn't just a simple 1, 2, 3 situation. And as much as my closet, I feel like it looks good, there were still so many things that I need to take consideration of, and I had to measure before even building to make sure that it actually worked and it was going to work and I was going to be able to get everything into the space. Which is why it is so important that when you say you are looking for the final house, the last house, you know you're not going to move anymore, you don't want to move anymore, you try to get as much of what you need in the house as possible, and what anyone else wants goes out the window. It's all about your need. So nothing could have really prepared me for the end result of how the space was going to be coming together. And I just feel like it came together really, really great. The reason why I am moving around the room is I want you to see how much space has been allotted for me to move around. It is not tight whatsoever. These 2 units come out 22 inches. So between the space between here and here is about 65, and it's also 65 that way. And then from the cabinet to the butt end of the shelving, which is from here to here, is 55. From the sides here, it is 41 exact. That's exactly where I was standing. There's a lot of room and space. Listen, as the camera is making its way around, don't look anywhere else, because I'm trying to get the closet together. I'm still unpacking and I'm still getting things together, but I just want to show you the amount of movement that I have inside of my closet. This is great. Oh, look at my light fixture in my sitting room. It just looks so good. As you can see, I am sharing my closet with my fiance because his closet has less shelves, and so I allowed him to just put his things right here. But overall, I am really happy with the space. That means Instagram is messed up too. So it is official. I have the island in. I want to give you guys like the full reveal, okay? So I don't want to show y'all everything.
But pretty much today I am doing laundry. I just went and got all of the remaining boxes from upstairs and downstairs on the 3rd level onto the 2nd level, so I can like really start cleaning and getting things organized and going through things. So far I have broken 2 sunglasses and I can't find 2 of my bags. But we still have a whole lot more stuff in the garage that I haven't unpacked. So fingers crossed that I find my bags. Because if I don't find them, I promise you, you can mark my words, I will not be buying any more bags. Because why did you do that? When you start breaking and losing stuff, you got too much stuff. Okay? Just so y'all don't think I'm tripping. And it's the same glasses too. That's the sucky part. If you live in Atlanta and you know someone that repair glasses, I went to 2 places. They said they don't repair these. These are Chloe's. All right. I love these glasses so much. You know what I'm saying? I got them in the brown because I was like, oh, these are so freaking cute. But then I also got them in the black radiant. These are so cute, y'all. I wish I could really get into it so y'all could see. Like, they're such a cute pair of freaking frames. I like the fact that they're not like chrome, but they're not gold either. So those 2 are broken. Not only that, I also lost my Hermes brown ones. But then I also have the Hermes black. Because again, I'm a creature of habit. If it works for me and the frame is such a good fit and it's good and oversized, I will get 2. So I got the radiant in the black and I lost the brown. Now the brown one is hurting me, but I did see that it was on sale for half, not even half. It was maybe 30% off. So I'm just gonna see if I can repurchase them because that's how much I love the browns. And if I'm not mistaken, I lost another pair too when I was out. And I normally do not leave my glasses when I go out, but for some reason I felt a little uncomfortable when I went to this restaurant. I was by myself and I was feeling a little uncomfortable. And I literally took my glasses and put them down so I could hold my water and I wouldn't leave like my bottle by itself because I was by myself. And I think in the trying to be careful of my surroundings and hold my drink, I left my sunglasses. So with that being said, I have to slow down. Yeah. Valentine's Day just passed and I got my Valentine's Day card, which was so freaking cute. A lot of y'all keep saying for me not to claim that I have ADHD, but I do. Like, I already went to the doctor. I took hours of tests, okay? But if y'all didn't believe me, I want to read y'all the card. Not what he said, but what the card says, okay? I love when you're serious. I love when you're not. I love when you're chilly. I love when you're hot. I made cookies. I love when you're sweet. Where's my phone? I love when you're in a grumpy mood. Don't I look cute? I love you in your Sunday best. Bubble bath. Okay, you know what that means. The cartoon is reading a book like, I love when you're smart. The sunglasses is on her head and it says, anyone see my glasses? And when you're searching for a clue, the reasons isn't hard to guess. I love you because you're you. I love this card because I feel like it speaks to my ADHD. And in the past, it was considered to be annoying. And so to be clumsy, forgetful, losing things, and just myself, and it's not turning into like an argument, it's nice. I'm not gonna say it. It does get annoying. I'm not gonna even hold y'all. It gets very annoying because I lose everything, but I'm not doing it purposefully. I just really forget where I put stuff. Even for my stuff, when I have my stuff, I find things a week, 2 weeks later, which is why I have to have a home that is like organized so I can find things. So you can just imagine how chaotic it's been having to go like through boxes to find things. But hopefully now my closet being put together, I could actually find things. So this is my lovely closet. I am going to roll the camera back a little bit so you guys can see the whole thing. This is my closet. It's pretty big. And I am very ashamed to say that even though it's this big, I'm still struggling to put everything everywhere, which is why I'm downsizing. I'm not going to get rid of anything like too major, but I do want to condense my clothes. More than anything, I feel like I'm going to get rid of some of my dating attire. I ain't even going to hold you. Your girl was single. I was showing a lot more legs, a lot more. And now that I'm in my relationship, some of the stuff I just don't want to give off the wrong signal. And so I will be taking some of those things to the closet. Not everything. So I went on Amazon and I found this ladder. And I just feel like it is just the cutest. Like, I really like this, y'all. So you extend the arms, it locks in, or you can make it shorter. So now I have access to like get my sneakers, because I have my sneakers here. I do have overhead lighting. I shared with you guys a couple of videos ago that I do have check light. Did it cut on? Did y'all see that? I don't think so. Let me see. Did y'all see the light come on? Anyway, you can't see it. I'll try to take it down. But yeah, I will be leaving this linked down below for you guys because I just think this is amazing. And the really great thing is the way the sides of the closet is designed. This is why I have to clean my closet, because I have so much stuff in here. It just don't make any sense. But you see, I can just put my ladder right in there and it fits. Again, something to consider. I had already like selected everything that I wanted in my closet, so that way when it came time to be built, like I can have like everything situated in there. I also have the valet. I need a second one because I found myself like hopping. So I'm going to put another one down there. So when I'm like putting on jeans and a blazer, I can be down there. I was able to come on this side and really get it really organized, because this was probably like the first area that was, not probably, this was the first area of the closet that was organized. I have to get all of my shoes. All of my shoes aren't even here. I'm still missing some stuff. And then I just had these drawers. I did a video a couple of, I don't know. So approximately 2 weeks ago, I came on here and I showed y'all that I had gotten all the drawers put in. Well, now it's in, the top is in, and I absolutely love it. And yes, it is massive. It is not the camera. It is 100% this. I'm gonna say this again because I really want y'all to hear this. Let me go back. When you're looking for a house, make sure you do your best, that you do a lot of research and you find what you're looking for. I'm gonna say this again. When I was on a house tour, y'all did not like this house. Y'all was like, nah. But I knew the potential. And you have to be able, if you don't like necessarily like a property, to see the potential of it. Because like, oh man, I don't think I could ever describe like the feeling of feeling like it's good. You know what I mean? It doesn't have to be good to anyone else, but how it makes you feel is going to be really, really important. It's going to be really, really important. It's going to be important to your mental health, to your overall well-being, to your growth and all that stuff. A couple of videos I said, I do not feel like I match the energy of like where I'm supposed to be. And I'm like, I feel it here. I feel it here. Oh my gosh, y'all. I should not be drinking this water, but whatever. I really enjoy it here. I really, really, really enjoy it here. I love it. Anyway, I didn't do my hair and my makeup today. I know I said I was going to be a little bit more consistent, but I feel like I have. If you see me on Instagram, you know that I have. But I want to come on here. Let's go into the bedroom so you guys can see what's going on in there before we leave. That's going to be my bathroom. Let me walk back there. Y'all see it? I know you see. I know you see it. I know You see, I said eeny, meeny. I'm just I told y'all that ADHD be strong. Today is laundry day. So on this right here is like my swimsuits. Mind you, we're coming into yellow light, okay? This is like my, it needs to hang up in swimsuits, piles, donate, laundry, clean. I just washed all of these. And then right here is all the bags that I've taken from upstairs. So we're getting it underway, y'all. It's going to come together. I'm really excited. Yeah.